Hello all. This is a video series on how to use magit in spacemacs. Magit is a Git UI for Emacs. In this episode, we will look at magit interface. We'll also look at how to get a Git status, stage a file, commit the change, and also push the change to the upstream. In magit, all the commands you run are on magit status buffer for the repository. To show the status buffer, press space GS. This status buffer contains details about your untracked files, staged changes, unstaged changes, recent commits, pushed and unpushed changes. To show all the available commands, press question mark. This pops up a new buffer with all the options. You can press the appropriate key to invoke the command. For example, capital A for cherry picking, D for diffing, etc. You can run the command from this pop-up buffer by pressing the key, or you can run it on the magit status buffer as well. For now, we have a staged file. To unstage this file, press U. To look at what are the changes, go to the file, press tab to see what are the changes in this. Here you can see there are two hunks in the file. You can stage a specific hunk. You can also stage a specific line as well. To stage a hunk, go to the specific hunk, and then press yes. So this has staged only one change out of the two from the file. To unstage it, press U. So to stage everything, press yes. This has staged all the changes. To commit the change, press C. This will pop up a new buffer with more options for commit command like disabling hooks, etc. For now, we don't need any of those. Press C again to commit. This displays a buffer where you can type the commit message. Press Ctrl C, Ctrl C. Now you can see there is a new unpushed changes to the origin. To push the change upstream, you can press capital P here, or you can press question mark and find out there is a capital P for pushing. Press capital P here. This will pop up a new buffer with the advanced options. For now, we just need to push the changes upstream, origin. So press P. So this is pushing the change. The change has been successfully pushed, and you can see the new changes has been in the recent commits. Voila, now we have successfully staged, committed, and pushed the file. That's it for now. We'll see you later with another video on using magit on spacemacs. Thank you.